On stage Mr. Amar Jatin Sheth to please give his opening remarks on the Dealership Satisfaction Study 2025 Awards for Finance and Insurance Companies. Sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the another edition of our Finance and Insurance Dealer Satisfaction Survey Awards. Generally this happens in Mumbai, but this year we had to reschedule because of Operation Sindoor and shift it and combine it to make this a much larger event. Year on year, we are getting more and more participation, more and more dealers filling up the surveys. This year we had around 1,500 dealer principals from across the country filling up the surveys and rating the finance and insurance companies. So this was covering around 3,000 outlets, and we've got feedback from finance and insurance companies of 30 finance and insurance companies got rated. It covers all aspects of the insurance and finance business, including retail finance, wholesale finance, and insurance. It just shows the collaboration that happens between the finance companies, insurance companies, and auto dealers, because all are important cogs of the wheel, and all of these are required to keep the industry moving. In insurance, what came out was of importance to dealers were the settlement process, the payouts, how digital the insurance company has been, and how do they maintain their dealer relationship, is the respect given to the dealers adequate or not. For retail finance, of course, payouts is an important topic, but apart from that, turnaround time was something that came out very strongly, and competitive finance structures, structured schemes, etc. were also rated there. In wholesale finance, fair treatment, disbursement turnaround time, and the digital reforms that have been taking place in this sector were also something that the dealers appreciated. So it's good to work together. It's good to have the finance and insurance companies as an extremely important stakeholder of our business in the auto retail trade, which is helping grow our business. So with that, I would like to now move ahead and start the proceedings for rolling out the finance and insurance dealer satisfaction survey ratings. Could I have the office bearers on stage and the Premonacia team also, please?
Thank you, Mr. Sheth. And like he said, that can I request all the office bearers of FADA to please join us on the stage, Mr. Vigneshwar, Mr. Sai Giridhar, Mr. Pradeep Agarwal, Mr. Sahesh Damani, along with Mr. Rahul Sharma from Premonacia, to please come up on the stage. Also, ladies and gentlemen, can I please request you to take your seats? There's a very important announcement before we start with the awards. Our Honorable Minister, Shri Nitin Gadkari, is expected to join us sharp at 2 o'clock. You do not want to definitely miss the session that we have lined up with him. So I would request you to please be here, be with us. We'll distribute the awards, and then we are all keenly looking forward to that session with the Honorable Minister. And of course, he will be taking up questions from the members of the audience. So like I said, that's an unmissable session, and please make sure that you are around for that. So let's now start with the distribution of the awards for the FADA Dealership Satisfaction Study 2025 for finance and insurance companies. I will first name the award, the category. I will tell you the top nominations. We'll do second runner-up, first runner-up, and then the winner of that category. So first category is going to be wholesale finance, and for that, can I also invite on stage Mr. Bharat M. Sangvi, past President FADA, to please join us. Sir, please. So get ready for the awards, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, the first category is going to be wholesale finance. The top 5 nominations in this category were Axis Bank, ICICI Bank Limited, Kotak Mahindra Prime Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance Services Limited, and State Bank of India. So first, second runner-up in the category is State Bank of India. Can we please get their memento and a representative? big round of applause, please, for the second runner-ups, State Bank of India. Congratulations to the team. Thank you, ma'am. Now we move to the first runner-up in the wholesale finance category, and the first runner-up award goes to Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited. Big round of applause, please. Mahindra and Mahindra, can we please have a representative? So on behalf of Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services, Mr. Ashish, who's the dealer, is taking the award for them. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, congratulations to Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services team. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to announce the winner in the wholesale finance category, and the winner is Kotak Mahindra Prime Limited. Can we please have the team? I think it should run. Please put your hands together for Kotak Mahindra Prime Limited for being the winners in the wholesale finance category. Congratulations to the team. Thank you so much, and thank you, Mr. Sangvi, for joining us on the stage, sir, for the first round of awards. For the second round of awards, which is going to be the category of insurance, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Rakesh Jain, past President FADA, to please join the FADA team members as we will give away the awards. The second category for the FADA Dealership Satisfaction Study 2025 Awards for Finance and Insurance Companies is insurance. I will first name the top 5 nominations in this category. Cholamandalam MS General Insurance Corporation Limited, Go Digit General Insurance Limited, IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Corporation Limited, Reliance General Insurance Corporation Limited, and SBI General Insurance Company Limited. Now, the second runner-up in this category is Cholamandalam MS General Insurance Corporation Limited. Please join us on the stage, and congratulations. Can we encourage our partners with a warm round of applause, please? Congratulations to the team. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll announce the first runner-up in the category of insurance, and the first runner-up goes to SBI General Insurance Company Limited. Can we have the team, please? So this is SBI General Insurance Company Limited getting the first runner-up in the insurance category of the awards. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. And now the winners of this category are IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Co. Limited. Please join us us on the stage to take your awards. Congratulations for being the winners in the insurance category. Dealership Satisfaction Study 2025 Awards, Finance and Insurance Companies. Congratulations to the winners once again, and a warm round of applause coming in from the members of the audience. Thank you so much, Mr. Rakesh Jain, for joining us for this round of awards. For the next round of awards, can I please invite on stage Mr. Nikunj Sanghi, past President FADA. Sir, if you can please join us as we will move to the category of Retail Finance. DSS 2025, and the next category that's going to come up on stage is Retail Finance. So the top 5 nominations in this category were Bajaj Finserv Limited, Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Co Limited, IDFC First Bank, State Bank of India and Toyota Financial Services India Limited. Second runner-up in Retail Finance is IDFC First Bank. Can we please invite you on stage to take your award? IDFC First Bank. Any representatives from the team here? All right, we'll move on then to the first runner-up, and that's Bajaj Finserv Limited. Bajaj Finserv Limited. Any representative, if you could please join us on the stage. Right, so let's straight away move to the winners then in the category. The winners in the Retail Finance category are Toyota Financial Services India Limited. Congratulations to the winners. Toyota Financial Services India Limited are the winners in the Retail Finance category. Congratulations to all the winners in the awards. Thank you so much, Mr. Nikunj Sanghi, sir, for joining us here for this category.